Hello, Tim. Paul here. I wanted to show you the, we had a little bit narrower spot over here on this side, so we used two 6-inch planks, and we used three 4-inch planks over here, and then another one that tapers from about 2 to 4 as we go forward. We have right here, we're filling all the screw holes, and we bought a new tool to help with the speed. It's an air-powered mixing gun. Mixes the filler and the hardener. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is, laying here. Mixes the filler and the hardener in this little nozzle up here, and so it's really sped up the process of filling the holes. I'll show you what that used to require us to do. We used to, and we're fairing out this up here, getting the stem done. And that process of filling the holes used to be a process of mixing the filler, which is a marine filler, but it's like Bondo. It's not Bondo, but it's very similar to that. It's just a marine filler. And we would normally start with a mixing board and take the filler out of the gallon can, put a glob of it on here, and then grab some hardener and put on the filler, and then mix it all up. Spend a bunch of time doing that, and then we would try to put these in the screw holes. Take this and put it in the screw holes. And when you put it in the screw hole, it would trap air. And so you had to wipe it this way, wipe it that way, wipe it this way, wipe it that way. You had to do a bunch of wiping to try to get it to go and completely fill the screw hole. So we now have that machine. List price on that machine, I didn't pay list price. List price on that machine is about $1,200. And of course, you don't get charged for that. I've been wanting to do this for a long time to help make sure that we stay within the budget. So anyhow, or minimize any overruns anyhow. But anyway, that's what we're doing, is we're getting this filled now. The next step is sanding. The next step after that's painting. And then the next step after that's rollover and put the engine in. We also have to drill. I don't think he's drilled I know we haven't drilled for the prop shaft yet. And I'm going to be working on getting that set up today to drill for that. And I don't think we've drilled for the rudder yet either. Let me just check. Yeah. But we do have, that's just, the hole you see there is a hole for a carriage bolt for a frame. So anyway, so we'll be drilling that perhaps later today for the prop shaft and the rudder. Talk to you soon.